How to fold the Babymoov Anti-UV Aquani Marine tent. Take out the plush mat that's inside of the base. And then you want to fold it into 4 flaps like so. Unclasp the canopy from the base. There will be 4 clasps, 2 on top and 2 on bottom. And then you will take the canopy, flip it upside down, and then take both sides and fold them in and over each other. Take the flap that sticks out and fold it inwards. Take the base of the Aquani Marine and collapse the top and bottom together. Take the base, face it towards your body, and fold both sides together and over each other. Push the inner circle in and fold it into the bottom flap, and then collapse it all together. Now put all the parts together and put them into the carry bag. Once they're in there, you're going to want to zip it up, and then there you go. You're ready for your day. Enjoy!